Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're going to combine two arrays using the concat method. Concatenation means to join items end to end. JavaScript offers the concat method for both strings and arrays that work in the same way. For arrays, the method is called on one, then another array is provided as the argument to concat, which is added to the end of the first array. It returns a new array and does not mutate either of the original arrays. So 1, 2, 3, concat 4, 5, 6, and yeah, it doesn't mutate the thing. So if this was array A and this was array B, you do .concat and save that as a new variable, and then you could still work with array A and array B, and they would not have been mutated because of the use of the concat function. So we want to use concat method in the non-mutating concat function to concatenate, attach to the end of original. The function should return the concatenated array. Cool. So yeah, we just want to go return original dot concat attach, and then yeah, so let's console.log the we'll call this one the concated string. And then we pass this in here and we'll be able to see what happened. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. We're good to go. What we wanted to have first and second. The reason first is not. Okay. And then you'll see these are non-mutated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are non-mutated, so that's one of the reasons that we did that. In other languages, you can do stuff like attach, but you can't do that in JavaScript. So yeah, we want to use the concat method to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so yeah, we run the tests. I bet they pass. Yeah, the whole idea behind this is they're just showing you that how you can use functions to pass in multiple variables, and this is just functional programming, right? We can call this and it creates this new array just based on that. So this is, I don't know, but it's weird that you say non-mutating concat, whereas concat's not mutating in the first place. That's just, it doesn't make any sense, right? If you were to just go, instead of putting it into a function, you could go, first dot concat second, and you're going to get the same exact thing, and it's a non-concating array, or it's non-mutating concat. So I don't understand this specifically, but I think it is a good exercise to just kind of be thinking about how you can use functions to do stuff, and you want to do them in a non-mutating way. Anyways, the tests pass. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next lesson.